पिछले कुछ सालों में नए रिफॉर्म्स और पॉलिसी चेंजेस के चलते मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर इज एट बूम. Manufacturing sector's contribution to GDP stood at 17.4% in financial year 2023 and is expected to rise up to 25% by financial year 2025. Under manufacturing, defense is one of the most talked about sector in recent times. ये हो रहा है क्योंकि इंडिया खुद को आत्मनिर्भर बनाना चाहता है ऐसे volatile geopolitical environment के चलते. And also because India is trying to maximize the export of defense equipment and technologies. As per the last updated list, India has banned import of approximately 1,000 military items from December 2023 to 2029. The manufacturing of these items will be done domestically under Indian Defence Public Sector undertakings involving the MSMEs and private industries. Year 2023-24 का revised defense budget 6.24 लाख करोड़ का था, जो लगभग 10% ज़्यादा था पिछले फाइनेंशियल ईयर के बजट से. Now, Indian defense sector export grew by almost 32% as compared to last year and as at 21,000 crore, which is almost 30 times from 10 years back. इसके बाद भी वर्ल्ड का सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट डिफेंस इंपोर्टर है इंडिया आफ्टर सऊदी अरेबिया. It shows still how much potential we have in defense manufacturing sector. As per the latest update, India is targeting to export 50,000 crore of defense equipment by 2025. इसके लिए Indian government has implemented various measures to attract investment in this sector, like simplifying the procurement procedure, offering government funding in development cost by up to 70%, and by increasing the FDI up to 74%. More than 100 firms, both public and private, are involved in this sector, and we are currently exporting to approximately 85 plus countries. Now, what this will do is put us up with top defense equipment exporter like USA, Russia, चाइना, फ्रांस एंड इजराइल. डिफेंस एक्सपोर्ट में स्ट्रॉन्ग होल्ड से कंट्री में डोमिनेंट और अथॉरिटेरियन पावर आती है, जो कि ड्राइव करता है ग्लोबल डिप्लोमेसी, डील्स, वॉर एंड सपोर्ट इन इट्स फेवर. नाउ इफ वी लुक फ्रॉम द करंट स्टॉक मार्केट व्यू, एवरेज रिटर्न ऑफ द डिफेंस सेक्टर इन लास्ट 1 year हैज बीन क्लोज टू 160%, and this has happened because of swelling order books, expansion and rise in the export from these companies. Just to put a word of caution over here, is any change in policy, execution delay या global slowdown के कारण short to medium term investors can get stuck for long term in this sector now. That's it from this video. If you like this content, तो इस वीडियो को like करें, share करें, subscribe us on YouTube and follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Cheers.